driving in the state of Florida.
I'm
You're driving in the state of Florida on a public road.
This has just been purchased.
But you still need a driver's license.
And I'm passing through.
And I'll get paid. I'll get paid. You relax. You're the de-escalator.
Exactly what I'm doing.
You're the de-escalator. Back up.
These are times when entitled man thinks he knows law better than cop. Starting with this man who thinks he's a lawyer and understands all the laws.
Belt it.
I mean, I'm not aware that I'm driving. I'm sorry.
On October 28, 2023, in Port Charlotte, police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle because the driver was not wearing a seatbelt. The officers did not expect to encounter someone so incredibly stubborn.
Like I said, when you passed me, I saw you, and I didn't see a seatbelt on you. And you have a white shirt that's dark, and it was clear. You're not wearing a seatbelt. Okay? May I see your license and registration, please?
A license?
Yes.
Like for a driver's license?
Yes.
Oh, well, I'm not commercially operating, or I'm not operating in a commercial capacity.
Said he was traveling, not driving, while sitting in the driver's seat.
You driving on the road.
Oh, yes, but drivers have to be commercially licensed if you're driving. That means
You are driving.
Well, that means you're operating in a commercial capacity.
No, you're driving a vehicle, sir.
Like there's driving and then there's traveling.
That's driving a vehicle. May I see a driver's license?
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity. See what I mean? Like
No,
traveling
sir.
is not driving.
Sir, we're not going to do this. Are you?
We're not going to do this.
Yes. Do you have a driver's license?
What do you mean we're not going to do this?
I'm asking you to see your driver's license.
Well, I'm not operating in a commercial capacity.
You're operating a vehicle, and to drive a vehicle, you are required to have a driver's
vehicle.
Oh, what is this?
This is an automobile.
White 10 K9.
Are you escalating?
No, I'm trying. All I'm asking is for your driver's license.
Yes. Well, what I'm saying is, my license has been lost.
White.
I've lost it. The physical copy.
Okay, so can I have your name so I can look it up?
Sure. I mean, have I broken a law?
You are driving with without a seatbelt, sir.
But I mean, is that committing
Yes,
a crime?
that is a law. You have when you're operating a vehicle, you're supposed to have.
Can you be around 2
You're supposed to have a seatbelt on. You're supposed to drive belted.
I mean, I'm not aware that I'm driving. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just not aware that I'm driving.
Okay, so can I have your name?
Well, I mean, in order to identify me, you gotta suspect that I've committed a crime.
Sir, you are driving with no
you're gonna-
seatbelt on. I pulled you over,
Unless you're gonna
and
escalate.
no, I'm not escalating anything. You are the one. This would have been over already.
I see. Well, I gotta make sure that
This would have been
clear,
over already.
you know.
You are driving a vehicle, and you are required to have a driver's license to drive a vehicle. This is a vehicle you're driving.
In just 2 minutes of conversation, he made it clear to the officers that he was an arrogant sovereign citizen. Naturally, he was only going to make things even more difficult.
You're driving without a seatbelt. Even when I approached the car, you didn't have a seatbelt on. Okay?
Well, can you prove that I wasn't wearing a
Yes,
seatbelt?
I saw it.
Can you prove that, though,
I
to me?
saw it.
Can
You have
show me?
a white
Because
shirt.
I had my seatbelt on.
You have a white shirt. The seatbelt is great. And when you passed right in front of me, I saw it and you didn't have it. And you're driving very straight, so it's not like you're leaning back and your seatbelt is low. Okay, so I saw it.
How did you know?
I was facing you when you passed me. So
I was aware that I had my seatbelt on.
you didn't
I
have
always-
it.
Central 325 drive reference 2A.
This would have been over
Being
already.
aggressive with
So I'm
staff.
asking you, may I have your name so we could finish this? And I could go on my way and you could go on your way. Okay? So do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it all.
Okay, you don't have a registration either
What do you mean?
for the vehicle.
Like bill of sale and
No, a registration for your vehicle being registered.
this has just been purchased. I got the bill of sale and everything.
Okay, let me see it.
Well, before I show you this, I mean, you have to prove to me if I ask, to give me a reasonable, articulable suspicion that I committed a crime.
I already told you that you have.
Yeah, but you have to show me. Look, here's
No,
proof
no, no,
that you
no.
weren't wearing a seatbelt.
I saw you. That's good enough.
Huh.
I saw a violation. I saw an infraction.
I'm asking for
Just
you.
advising that the agent
You-
focus on that.
You could take it to court if you want. You could take it to court and we could prove it over there. I know what I saw, and I saw you with a white shirt. It's a dark gray.
Yeah, but you have to prove it to me.
I don't have to
You show
prove it.
to me.
I saw it.
Yeah, you can't just tell me that, hey, I think that you were doing
I
this.
didn't say I
therefore
think. I
were
saw
doing
you.
it.
I said I saw
It's a
you.
habit for me to always put my seatbelt on.
Sir, when you passed me, you didn't have it, and right now you're being, this would have
What
been
am I
over
being?
already.
I'm being,
This would have been over.
I'm being calm and collected.
I understand that,
You know?
and I am too. But
Just,
right now,
very
you're not
serious about my rights. You know?
Yeah, I am too about enforcing the law,
Well, see that you're enforcing legal codes.
sir.
Laws are different.
Sir, it's an infraction to drive in Florida.
Yeah,
you
if
need
you're
a driver's
driver.
license.
But if you're traveling, that means you're not operating in any commercial
Sir, we're
capacity
not
at all.
going to do this.
See what? The law.
Go back and forth. I ask you for it. Do you have a driver's license?
I'm telling you, I lost it.
He sounds so manipulative. He definitely loves to gaslight people. He lied on every question. And when he wasn't lying, he evaded and made up his own answers.
Vehicles have to wear a seatbelt.
Yeah, but that's for drivers. That's for commercial operators.
Are you not a driver?
No,
What are you?
I'm a traveler.
Oh, okay. Are you traveling on the roadways?
The roadways, like the paved streets.
Yep.
Yeah, but not everyone on the paved streets is a driver.
You're the sole occupant of the vehicle?
It's not
Is
a
it-
vehicle.
What is it?
It's an automobile.
Okay.
All right, Jason. If that is your name, Jason Strauss, no middle name, and your date of birth, nothing's coming back with your as you having a driver's license.
Have you ever had one
A license? Yeah.
in the state of Florida?
Yeah.
But I just checked
Under
it.
that name that you gave him?
That you see on the title, as you can see on the bill itself.
Yes, and that's why I'm asking you if that's the correct spelling and everything,
Yes.
because nothing comes back of you having a driver's license.
Yeah, that's the name I go by.
Okay, so
What's your legal name?
What do you mean legal?
Well, you said that was the name you go by.
Well, when people say this is my name, it's claiming this is who I am, a name.
okay.
Yeah. And I know that you guys are trained to, hate sovereign citizens and all that. But
I'm
I'm
not-
someone who exercises my rights.
I
When I say I'm, Jason, that doesn't mean that Jason is who I am. If that makes sense. A name is not who I am.
Are you Jason Strauss? Because there's nothing coming back with that name.
What's the name on your driver's license?
Yeah, I'm in the process of surrendering my license.
I get
to
that.
The state. Surrendering.
I get it,
Meaning
but-
that I don't want it no more. You can have it.
Okay, but right now you are driving and you need a license, so I'm trying to help you out
I'm
here.
not driving. I'm not. And I'm making that clear to you. I'm not driving.
Sir,
I'm not.
you
This is
just-
not a vehicle. I'm not operating this thing in any commercial capacity at all. I do own it. It is mine. I gave you the title and the bill itself.
Do you have another form of ID, sir, so I can know who you
I
are?
lost everything. I lost it all. And I'm in the process of suing for damages too.
Okay, I'm trying to help you out here,
Discovery motion and I have a lawsuit motion in place.
and that's okay. It has nothing to do with the stop.
I know.
You're
but I'm just
driving,
telling you.
and that's fine. That's your business, not my business. My
No,
business
I'm
is
just
this:
telling
you were driving,
I'm
no
not driving.
seatbelt.
I'm not.
You were
I'm not
driving.
operating. Officer Morales?
You were driving, sir.
The conversation grew increasingly tense by the second. What a clown. Don't use the public roads if you don't want to follow the rules. Just drive around your backyard.
Commercial capacity.
It doesn't matter. You're driving in the state of
Doesn't
Florida.
I'm
You're
not
driving in the state of Florida
I'm
on a
traveling.
public road,
This has just been purchased,
but you still need a driver's license.
and I'm passing through.
Okay.
How much more straight can I be? I'm just passing through. I'm not driving.
So the name you gave him
He's
was
bestowing upon me that I am strictly driving, even though I'm telling him I am not.
the name on your Florida driver's license is the name you gave him.
Officer, when was the last internal investigation that has been done on you?
Haven't had one.
You never had one. Do you know if he's had one?
I do not know.
Who's back there, by the way? Anybody
again?
back there?
My pup?
That's it? Is there a person?
Are you escalating things?
No, I'm asking.
Further?
I want to know if someone's back there. I don't know if someone's back there.
Do you suspect?
I don't suspect, but I heard you talking to somebody.
Do you suspect them of committing a crime?
I'm
My-
just
my
asking.
lady. My
Okay.
lady.
All right. Jason, this is what's going to happen. Okay. I'm giving you every opportunity to identify yourself. Okay. I'm giving you an opportunity to provide me with your name, driver's license, and you are refusing to do that. If you're driving with no license, you
I'm
tell
not driving. I'm not.
you are driving, sir.
I'm not. I'm traveling. That means
No.
that I'm not operating in any
Sir,
commercial capacity.
I don't want to take you to jail, but that's the way we're going to go if you are refusing to identify
I've
yourself.
cooperated with you. You're supposed to de-escate.
I am de-escalating,
I gave you the
and it's
bill of
not
sale.
coming back to anything.
I gave you the bill of sale.
But
I gave you the title,
It
which
doesn't-
you wanted.
and I asking you for your name and trying to identify you. Say you have a driver's license, doesn't come back with any record.
You said that you're pulling me over for not wearing a seatbelt.
Correct.
And then you escalated to, well, I need to make sure this is yours.
No, I asked you for your driver's
You escalated
license.
that from me being pulled over for
Sir.
you suspecting me not wearing.
Sir.
To if this is a stolen or if this
No,
is this belongs to me.
if I'm going to write a ticket, if I'm going to write something, I need those paperwork with me. Okay, that's why I ask you for the paperwork. And if you would produce, if you're producing a license, I write a ticket and let you go on your way. You're not allowing me to do that right now.
I don't have it.
You don't.
I do not
you
have
don't,
any
but,
copies.
But
I don't have it.
but there's a way to double check.
I don't have the license.
Okay,
Physical
so
copy.
so I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
The argument went in circles, and the officer struggled to keep a straight face at his ridiculous excuses. As he grew more brazen, the officers became even firmer in getting him out of the vehicle.
Tell me if I get out.
Sir, come outside. We're not going to play this game. Come on. Come outside, Jason.
Okay, one moment. You're gonna kidnap me if I get out. You can't do that.
I could do that, sir. I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if you're going to lock yourself in there. So let's go. Come on.
You can't do that.
Sir, are we going to have to force you out of there? Because then you will get an obstructions charge for sure.
10-4, I'll get the key holder.
Oh man, this is
He was
wrong.
already advised.
This is wrong.
White 10 Central, I have one in custody.
I have to have committed a crime.
See who's in the car.
Trunk open?
No, you do not have the right to open. That's an illegal search and seizure. I don't give you the right to
Ma'am.
do that. I love her.
She's gonna jump, please.
Okay. You just step out of the vehicle. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am? Do you have it?
Hey, yeah, I just wanted to see if somebody was inside.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, sir. Get up a second.
Are you Cuban?
Get up a second, sir. It doesn't matter where I'm from.
Cubans are more honorable than this.
You have anything on you?
I do not.
Because you're going to go to a scanner. Have a seat.
What if I... Now there's a third officer here?
Well, they know. Go ahead. Get in.
What have I done?
Get in, sir.
Oh my... And broad, that's my livelihood. That's my lover. I love her.
Okay. We'll let her know where you are. Go ahead. Get in.
And you're kidnapping me?
I'm not kidnapping you, sir. Sit this way.
What is the charge? What is the charge? What are you charging me with? What is the charge?
I already told you.
In the end, his reckless arrogance only earned him a trip to jail, facing charges of non-violent resisting arrest driving an unregistered vehicle and using a license plate not assigned to that vehicle. At least he only used words to resist, but the next man even resorted to violence.
What the are you talking about?
So the incidents here.
Are you putting hands on me?
Does it look like I am?
I think you are.
Stop spitting on me.
Back up. It
So-
de-escalates.
On September 20th, 2025, police responded to a business establishment after a report of a man causing a disturbance. The moment they saw him, the officers knew this was going to be a difficult situation to handle.
You're gonna come over here.
Yes, sir.
Nope. Not,
I'm right with you.
not behind me.
No, hey, I'm right with you. Let's get this girl out of here.
Okay, so real quick, what's your name? Okay. Hang tight for me. I'll be right back. Okay? You don't have any weapons or nothing on you, do you?
No, sir, you can check.
Mind if all right, I'll have you just kind of spin that patching out for weapons
no
real quick.
problem.
All right. So,
Just talk to her. She's because she's scared of what?
okay, so I'm trying to de-escalate the situation here without us getting any further. First of all, did anything physical happen, or is it?
No, hell no.
I just gotta double check.
I paid.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yeah, I do. I didn't pay for it, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm not driving. I got everything you want to know.
Am I pulling that out for me?
Yeah. I am me. This is unnecessary.
Okay.
You're hurting the business.
We're here to stop anything from hurting. Okay.
Talk to me.
All right. I just gotta.
Freak out about what I'm doing.
I'm not freaking out about nothing.
She is. She's the problem.
Well, we're here to figure out what exactly happened. Okay. All right. So
I hired a cab. She took me the wrong way. I said, take me back. You're going the wrong way.
were you already in the vehicle and you left?
Yes.
Okay.
Paid transaction.
Okay.
From a friend.
Just because she's going the wrong way is the way you would go, she has to follow her.
We don't go to Port Charlotte to go North Inglewood.
Right.
Period.
So you're
I'll
answer to this
put my
is
foot
raise-
down. I yelled at her.
Okay. So you think
Freedom of speech.
you gonna shut up now or what?
No.
Well, yeah, I think you
Listen.
should.
The man kept arguing, trying to justify his actions and blame others. Noticing that he was getting more agitated, the police tried to calm him down, but there was no sign of the situation easing.
Are you gonna get bowed up?
I'm listening to
I'm
you.
ready.
You're not listening to me.
You would disrespect
I'm
and I'll
asking you
get
to
paid.
listen to me.
I'll get paid.
I'm asking
you
you to
relax.
stop.
You're the de-escalator.
Eric,
Exactly what I'm doing.
You're the
I'm just
de-escalator.
talking.
Back up.
I'm talking to you, and I need you to calm down.
Then back up and I'll talk to you. But you don't push on me.
I didn't touch you. I haven't touched you.
Then back up.
I don't need to. You need to stop.
Okay? I need to stop what?
So are you going to
Two
continue
punches
to
don't do it.
Are you threatening
You-
to punch me? Is that what
No.
you're doing? That's not a good idea. So
What the are you talking about?
so the incidents here.
Are you putting hands on me?
Does it look like I am?
I think you are.
Stop spitting on me.
Back up. It
So-
de-escalates.
I am.
Then back up.
I'm not backing up. You need to leave.
I'll
Stop
back.
walking.
No.
Yeah.
I'll take it to the hill.
Okay. I'll be right back with the trespass warrant.
Go ahead. You heard me. I see you. I know you. I know everything about you.
you need to stop.
Then take care of this.
We are right now.
Let it go.
We're not letting anything.
I know where he lives. You want me to announce? And his kids and his family.
Mind stop spitting on me?
I know everything. You with the right one. Get out of here.
You need to stop looking at her. Okay.
This is the catalyst. You know who I am.
This is the first time I've ever met you.
I'm walking out. Stop me.
Nope. As of right now, hey.
Put hands on me. Put hands on me.
Imagine getting to that age and you still can't gain control of your emotions. What a miserable life he must lead, and anyone around him, but he's not going to stay aggressive for much longer.
Stop.
Watch it.
They don't
Put
want me.
hands on
Stop.
me. You putting hands on me?
Stop.
Watch
You need
me
to stop.
roll you.
You need to stop.
I
I'm
am
not
a man.
You're a man, yes.
Back the up.
You want him trespassed? Okay. You are now trespassed from this place. We're going to file.
No, I need to hear from the owner.
He just told me
In
right now.
paper. In paper.
Yep.
In paper.
Okay. Go over here. We're
No.
going to give you trespass.
Fuck
We're
me.
going over here. You're being trespassed.
Don't touch
You're
me.
being trespassed.
You see that?
You're being trespassed.
You want
need
this
to
to
step
go
over here.
easy or soft?
Come on, sir.
One more
I'm
time.
telling
I
you.
listen. You better listen.
I'm telling you to go over there right now. You're being trespassed. Do you
For what?
understand? They just told me to trespass you. You're
For
being
what?
trespassed. Exactly what you're doing right now, causing a disturbance. Now let's
And
go,
I
please.
respect that.
All right, now let's
Don't
go
put hands on me or you're going to...
over there now. You need to stop.
You better get like 3 of you.
I'm not going to need 3 of them. Trust me. So let's go.
You will.
Come on,
No.
Eric.
Eric, let's go. Come on. Go
I'm
over to the
asking
car.
you to be nice.
I am being nice.
I'm going
Now
to put
get
you
over to the
down.
car.
You'll never get up. You'll never...
Taser. Get over
What?
there.
Let's
Get over
validate.
there now.
Let's
Get over
validate.
there now.
Don't
Stop.
I'll take your
right now, you're going to get tased. Get over there now, you're going to get tased. Let go of me now, you're committing a felony now.
He's a prime example of when your blood alcohol content is above your IQ. The amount of anger and rage in this guy is dangerous and insufferable. Therefore, the police had to use forceful measures.
Stop. Hands behind your back now! Hands behind your back!
Hands behind your back!
Hands behind your back now! Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back now!
Eric,
I'm trying to listen!
on your stomach.
I'm trying to listen!
Put your hands behind your back!
On your stomach. Hands behind your back.
Take them off! Take them off and I'm gonna listen!
You stay up there and be
We're
quiet.
past that point now.
No, we're not!
We're past that point.
Then call the unit. You know who I'm fucking talking about. Call the fucking special unit.
All right, well, we weren't here for 5 minutes, so relax.
I am giant on the man.
All right, go ahead and stand up, please. Get up to your knees.
Hold me up. Hold me up. Hold me up, please.
To your knees.
I lived through everything.
Central 100. Good
Call my
to our
liaison.
location, please.
This is the validation. I'll never go to jail. You want to bet?
It didn't have to go this way.
Call my liaisons. I'll get the feds over you. I didn't wish you would be in that.
This could have de-escalated.
Pick that up, please. Please pick that up.
Yeah, we're willing to submit, sir.
No.
Just a minute.
Focus, focus, focus.
Take some deep breaths, all right?
Jonathan. Federal
You
unit.
good?
We're good.
Hey, you guys fucked up because now.
You fucked up, bud.
What?
You did. You did.
How?
Stop.
How?
Stop.
How?
Just go
I
sit
got
down, man.
you. I'll
Come on.
see you in person.
We're going this way. We're going this way,
person.
sir. We're going this way.
Pick that up.
We will in a
A
minute.
minute. It's not going anywhere. It's staying right there.
You don't know who I am?
But the rage shows no sign of stopping. It will continue well beyond this. He seems to be having an argument with himself, and clearly both of them are losing.
I have to.
Save your life. You don't respect me. Respect goes forward and backwards. I would respect you for your service. You treat me like shit.
No, sir, I did not.
You fucking didn't hear nothing. Why? Because I'm yelling? Yeah.
He
Yeah.
started talking to you and he started
No,
escalating.
you told me what I had to do.
Right.
No, you broke the law right there.
No,
Right there.
we did
You
not
wanna
break the
bet?
law. We told you you had to leave. We told you
gonna
you were
walk from
trespassed.
it. I'm gonna walk from everything.
Okay.
I'm gonna you still
I'm not disrespecting you. I'm
then
letting
get
you
the out of it. You are the cause of me getting out of there. De-escalate. Get your sergeant. Where's your sergeant? I want your lieutenant.
He's not here.
Get him.
Nope.
Yeah, I have that right.
No, guess what? They're not working today. It's Saturday.
Well, then that eases my court case. You
I didn't disrespect you.
Yep, you didn't give me the ultimate. Hey, you didn't give me my proper due.
Yes, I did.
Stickers on you. We're gonna lift up your shirt. Put these stickers
I walked towards him, but I was trying to
Now,
talk to him.
court case,
Absolutely.
you have to provide me upper scale. You want to stop it, you lose.
You were conversing in a normal tone and manner.
I know the rank.
You don't got to scream.
He's not listening. You got this on camera?
Yep. All three of them have it on camera.
Good. And all the cameras here.
So your charges
got
are
demographics.
disorderly intox, trespass after warning.
Where? I didn't get one.
Yes, I did.
I got told. I didn't get warned. I got told. I had to leave. No trespass. I'll take you to court and I'll eat them
You
up.
even said no.
I'll eat them up.
Okay.
Taxi, you hear me? Boy!
That's not gonna make it better. And resisting arrest.
For what? You didn't tell me I was under arrest. Eat you. I will eat you up in court. Every thing to the letter of the law.
Okay. Maybe when you sober up, you'll be a better person.
No, I have a lawyer. That lawyer will destroy you and everything. Hey, you are going to become what you...
His threats were unfortunately ignored. Therefore, he was only charged with disorderly intoxication, trespassing, after being warned and resisting arrest. But watch how this man turns a simple ticket into a one-way trip to jail.
Your driver's license? That's
I did
it.
something wrong, but I don't know the law.
Then you shouldn't be driving.
No.
If you don't know the rules, then you should not be driving.
On September 11th, 2025 in Western Springs, Illinois, police stopped a driver for improper lane usage and failing to comply with instructions in a school zone. And it didn't take long to realize just how much chaos they were walking into.
You are now on a traffic stop. You will give me your driver's license right now and your proof of insurance. Your driver's no. Driver's license and proof of insurance right now. Or I'm going to pull you out of the car and I'm going to arrest you. You are not doing
for no reason.
No, for the reason coming up the middle and pull it in when I told you you can't. You came up the middle. I'm telling you right now. You're making this a lot worse for you. You are making this a lot worse from you. No, you are getting a ticket. You are getting a ticket. I don't care. You can tell the judge you're sorry. Don't tell me you're sorry. When you go to court, you're getting a ticket. Pull your car over right now. If I'm going to pull you out of this car and I'm going to arrest you. I'm not.
You arrest me for what?
Yes.
For what?
For not providing me your driver's license when you're supposed to. That is the law. 6-112. You came up the middle and pulled in after I told you not to. This is not the place to argue a ticket. You want to argue, you do it in front of a judge, not with me.
Okay.
I'm out here for a reason, for the kids' safety, and you're not doing what you're not supposed to be doing. Okay? So give me your driver's license. Let me tell you something. If you don't give me your driver's license, you're going to get arrested. You understand me?
No, I'm not understand you.
Yeah, you will be arrested.
Anything's wrong. Okay.
387, I'm going to need another car out here.
All right,
corral.
something.
When the other person gets here, you are getting arrested.
Do you put a ticket for everybody else going there?
I'm writing you a ticket.
Do you give a ticket for everybody else?
Because you did not follow directions and you're arguing with me. You're getting a ticket. You're getting a ticket.
The way I did.
And you're going to get arrested. You're going to get arrested. When the other person gets here, you don't give me your driver's license, you're getting arrested. I don't care.
For me,
I don't care.
She needs the right.
I don't care.
She needs the right for the
I don't care. You're not following orders. I told you to give me your driver's license. You're going to get arrested.
Sir, my daughter, she's waiting for me.
This is not...
I can't wait.
I got a guy that won't give me his driver's license and he won't step out of the car.
You make it big for no reason.
No, you are.
Okay.
I told you to give me your driver's license. I asked for your driver's license, you're going to get arrested.
No matter how much logic and reasoning the officer used, the driver refused to budge even an inch. It seemed like he had nowhere to be because he clearly didn't mind arguing all day.
Something wrong?
You give me your driver's license, that's it.
I did something wrong, but I don't know the law.
Then you shouldn't be driving.
No.
If you don't know the rules, then you should not be driving.
Look, this guy.
Because I'm dealing with you. Because I'm dealing with you. That's why. Sorry's not good enough. At this point, you are getting a ticket, and if the other person gets here, you're going to get arrested. When they get here, if I don't get it, you're getting arrested. For not following orders. For not providing your driver's license when you're being asked to. Okay? That's the law. 6-112. You are making this bigger than it had to be.
What?
You, by not giving me your driver's license. When the other person, you're getting arrested, and I'm going to tow your car.
I don't have my wallet with me.
It doesn't matter. Then I'll take you to the station and we'll do a bond.
It's my driver's license and the phone. You can see it. I just get rushed. I just live here. I just moved to the new house.
Okay.
Can you pass?
No. I'm telling you, sir. When they get here, you are getting arrested.
Arrested for what?
And I'm towing your car.
Arrested for what?
I told you already. This is not the place to argue the ticket.
I'm not arguing.
You're arguing. You're arguing with me.
I'm
sorry's not good enough at this point.
There is a way. I try to
No. See that sign? See that sign that right there? It says not a student drop-off. You're not supposed to do it. That's not my problem. That's yours.
It's not
That's your problem. You're not supposed to run up the middle the way you did. You ran up the middle. You're not supposed to do that. That's violating the media. You're not supposed to do that.
I wasn't the line.
No.
I wasn't the line.
No.
He's not capable of following the rules of the road, nor does he feel he needs to. This guy would argue with a stop sign. Realizing that arguing with him was pointless, the officer decided to put an end to it.
I gotta give you.
Step out of the car.
No, sit. I
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
This is my driver license. This is my driver license.
Get out of the car.
This is my driver license.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Resisting me. You stop resisting.
I told you. I gave you many options.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
You're pushing me.
You're resisting.
What?
Stop resisting. You know what? You're gonna resist. Force is gonna be used against you. You understand? Stop resisting. Stop resisting. If you resist, force will be used against you. You understand? You understand? Okay.
You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Do you have any guns, knives, bombs on you? Yes or no? Do you have any guns, knives, bombs on you?
Give me my gun. Give me my phone.
Sit.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Stay in the car.
Get in the car.
We'll get all that. Don't worry.
Sure. You make it big.
You're making it big.
I'm not sorry.
Yes.
I'm not sorry.
You're not sorry. I know you're not sorry. Get down. Sit down.
My life.
Sit down. Sit down.
More than my driver license. Please.
Sit down.
My driver license.
Sit down. Sit down.
This is my driver license.
You're going to now. You're going to jail, and we're towing your car.
Sir.
This man has gotten away with gaslighting and manipulating everyone in his life to exhaustion. He's just mad it's not working here.
I think my daughter, she went for me. She took it right. I didn't do anything wrong.
I don't have that key.
I respect the law.
No,
I respect the law.
no, you don't.
No, sir.
I'm not going to argue. I'm done arguing with you, and I'm done talking.
I respect that. I respect that. But
No, you don't.
what the
Come
crime
on.
I do? What
I told you.
Please.
You're being charged. You're being charged. Not only are you getting a ticket, but now you're also under arrest. I'm not explaining anything else to you right now. I'm not doing it.
Why you make it big? Why you make it big?
You made this a
No,
big.
why you make it big?
All right, I'm not
It's
talking.
personal.
I'm
It's
done.
personal.
I'm not talking.
Bad day? Do you have bad day? Do you?
No.
Okay, why you put it
I'm
on
having
me?
a wonderful
Why
day.
you put it on me?
I'm having a wonderful day.
Why you put it on me? Just says what? It's still morning. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
You argued with me from the very beginning.
No, I
You did.
Believe me, because I see all the cars going inside in that way. I just like follow. This is the first time I do it. This is the first time I do it. This is the first time I do it. Look. Here.
He has the right to remain silent, just not the ability. At this point, he still didn't stop for even a second. Dude wanted to win the last word competition.
No,
And to have an attorney present during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed. One will be provided to you at no cost before questioning. Right? Those are your rights.
I was looking for my driver license on the phone. I was looking before you just like.
That doesn't work. It doesn't
You
work.
asked me for driver license and
You told me you didn't have one.
No, I have it. I don't have my wallet. I should like I have it in my phone. You can see it. I can see it. I can clearly see it. I'm good citizen. I follow the law. We just moved here, just not 1 month ago. The law,
You're getting a ticket.
that's for traffic. That's all.
No.
Okay, I take that.
No.
I take that.
No.
Okay.
You're going to
You ask
court.
me- No, I want.
You're going to go in front of a judge now.
When you stop me, I need to listen what I did wrong.
That's not what happened. That's not what
I
happened.
can't ask you questions.
It's not what
I can't
happened.
ask you questions. When you stop me,
See, I'm trying to tell you, and now you keep talking over me.
Okay,
But you
I
keep
can't ask
talking
you why you
over
for
me.
or why you.
And I told you.
Yeah.
And you said, no, I'm not going to
When you showed me the sign, I did.
Okay, I'm done. This is the last time I'm done. You could.
Finally, the driver was cited for failing to provide a driver's license, resisting arrest, improper lane usage, and disobeying a police officer. But next, let's meet this stubborn man who believes he can't be arrested because he's a foreigner.
We're leaving. He's saying that you're not my parents. You can't tell me what to do. Tell him it's a lawful order. You have to follow us.
Pues sí, la ley con la mía no es igual.
On January 23rd, 2026, police were called to an Apple store due to a man causing a disturbance and refusing to leave. This is what happened when officers arrived.
What is he asking? Okay, tell him if he doesn't get up, we will remove him.
Okay, si no te mueves, te vamos a quitar de aquí ahorita. Esa es la segunda advertencia.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So, tell him he was trespassed before. Let's walk out so we can do this normally.
Usted ya no está autorizado estar aquí en el móvil. Le estamos pidiendo que por favor salga del móvil, de la tienda. Tiene que salir de la tienda, señor. Esta es la tercera advertencia.
You don't want to leave? Hey. You don't want to go? You don't want to go, right? Tell him that he's gonna get locked up then. He's gonna get locked up. He's gonna be interfering with the investigation. He said to wait for something? What are we waiting for? Don't want to make it too big. Exactly, yeah.
Órale. Vámonos.
¿Vamos? ¿Listo?
¿Listo? ¿A dónde vas?
Afuera.
No puedo ir con ustedes. Yo salí solito. Ustedes no son mis padres.
Okay.
Yo dije, gracias,
Okay, vamos.
Ustedes no tienen por
We're
qué
leaving.
cuidarme. No tienen por
We're
qué.
leaving.
Yo me puedo
Saying
solito.
that you're not my parents, you can't tell me what to do.
¿Qué? ¿Cómo ustedes no están cuidando?
Tell him it's a lawful order that you have to follow us.
Es una ley.
Pues sí, la ley. Pues la ley con la mía no es igual. Claro que la ley con la mía no.
We're not ICE, we're Schomburg.
Pues sí. Pues no me importa que quienes sean. A mí no me importa que sea.
This guy managed to turn a simple request to leave the store into a full-blown spectacle. Not only does he stare blankly the entire time, but he also insists he has every right to stay, then forgets that and casually claims he can do whatever he wants.
Yo solito, ¿no? Sin que me lleven. ¿Me pueden ir solo, por favor? ¿Me van a salir?
Okay. If he can leave by himself, but we're gonna walk together outside.
Vamos a caminar afuera, pero vamos juntos.
¿Y a dónde voy a ir?
Acá afuera, señor.
Solamente qué voy a hacer, dígame.
¿Ah?
Necesito que me digan a dónde voy a ir, qué voy a hacer.
Tenemos que platicar con usted.
¿Qué más?
You're gonna try running something.
No, no estoy molestando, ¿eh? Ustedes me están
Tell him
molestando.
we're not doing handcuffs. We're not gonna put our hands on him. We can just all walk out together.
Vamos a caminar todos juntos para afuera,
¿Le
señor.
voy a decir hablar? ¿Qué no entiende? Que mi escuela nunca me respeta. ¿Que nunca respeta mi escuela usted? Pues no, respeta mi escuela. Ok. Entonces no es cierto. Porque en mi escuela nunca necesité oficiales. En mi escuela nunca necesité un oficial que me ande corrigiendo. En mi escuela nunca me están a ver, ¿por qué? A ver, ¿por mi escuela no puede ser? Nunca.
The school director, that's
Esa es la
complain
ley
about
presidencial.
you can't tell us what to do.
Yo nunca necesité policía en mi escuela cuando estuve allá.
Yeah, we'll wait. Because
Sí, ahora váyanse. ¿Cuándo necesitamos que nosotros estamos estudiando? Así nací en la escuela.
Okay, perfect.
Así nací a hablar de la escuela. Si no respeta a mi escuela, mi maestro,
Yo.
yo porque tengo que andar
Tell him we're at Apple. Yeah, he got arrested
Usted tampoco.
on the 15th, nothing?
¿Qué vamos a platicar?
Yeah, for this guy, right? Yeah, 25, yeah.
Hablen en la escuela primero.
All right, just
No
yeah,
vamos a la
thank
misma
you.
escuela juntos, nunca fuimos a la misma escuela.
Call his
Nunca fuimos a la
school.
misma escuela.
What
Pues a
school?
ver, tampoco yo le
¿Cuál
enseñé
escuela?
eso. ¿Eh?
¿Cuál escuela?
Pues nunca fuimos a la misma escuela, porque si nunca tenemos en la misma derecho.
Yeah, we don't need to rush it, you know. If it's going to be uncooperative, we'll have a legal, we'll have Kevin being translated on body cam, you know, from the officer. And then we'll, if he refuses, then
En
we'll
ningún
do the other
momento estoy
route.
pidiendo ayuda cuando yo necesito ayuda.
Okay, ask him.
Seguridad, que sea en mi escuela.
He asked him does he remember when he got locked up last year?
¿Sí te acuerdas cuando te arrestaron?
Mira,
Do pusimos?
Porque debe estarme acordando de cosas que ya pasaron. Lo que ya pasó, ya pasó. Lo que pasó conmigo ya no estamos jugando. Ya no estamos en...
With the past,
Ya no estamos ahorita.
him being arrested then, he's banned from being. So him being here is a direct violation of the law.
¿A dónde? Aquí.
After being asked for the second and third time, the police became more determined, forcing him to leave. But this arrogant customer refused to compromise and things quickly escalated.
You want to have him sit down over here? It's all the way out. Here. Vamos. Vamos para acá. Come on.
Are we gonna give him a ticket over there? Or?
Over by our cars? Yeah. What is? When
I don't speak Spanish. Sorry. I don't speak Spanish.
Es para. No tiene licencia.
No, porque me la quitaron.
Well, then we're gonna go to the station and get you fingerprinted.
Okay, entonces vamos a ir a
That's
la estación de
easy.
policía y le vamos a sacar sus huellas.
Estoy trabajando.
He said he's working, but he doesn't want to. He has to eat.
Okay, we get. Yeah, that's right. We got identity.
Tell him to avoid going to the police department. Just give us your first and last name and date of birth.
Mira, señor, danos su nombre y su fecha de nacimiento.
¿Por qué no
Saying
otras personas que
everything
hacen
but
mal?
life is just a waste.
Okay. So,
¿Quieren que les dé el número de
whoa.
Háblale.
He said to call my government.
Si quieren, poner el número.
he does.
He's going to give me the number of the government.
Vamos a ir a ver si está.
Number of who?
Of the government.
Quiero, háblale.
That's what
Háblale
he's saying.
primero. Yo vaya.
No, Bullet needs 4. Yeah, he should be on his way.
El número.
Okay.
So ask him if he prefers to go to the station to get fingerprinted, or just give us our name. Just ask him that. Yeah, we go fingerprint, and then.
Y te vamos a sacar tus huellas digitales. He's saying he's going to give us a phone number.
I'm not calling no one.
Okay. If you're saying that you're not trespassing, tell him. If he doesn't think he's going to get trespassed, then we need your identification because we have someone that matches your description.
Necesitamos
And that makes it even.
identificación para saber si realmente no eres tú el que está.
I just want to see the picture.
It matches. They even have they got his picture in P1.
Les molesta a muchos.
You?
No sé, yo no estoy.
No lo sé? Okay.
No, yo no lo sé.
Okay. Wheeling? You live in Wheeling? Yeah.
Even after he was given multiple chances to leave peacefully, that still wasn't good enough. He snapped back with more defiance, and that's when the officers started taking things seriously.
He's got parole in here, so he's interested. Okay, here. Right here.
Just put it down.
Put it down, okay?
Slide it up.
We're gonna search you. Put hands, manos, aquí. Okay.
Just couple.
Okay, right here. We'll just cuff him for now, because I don't know what's in this.
Hey, no se garland. Hey, let go. Hey, calm down.
Stop grabbing me. You're going to the ground.
Let go. Let go. Take. Stop.
That's the other hand, Here.
Yep, I'm trying. Hang on.
Yeah, we gotta get supervisor now.
Yep. Want me to call real quick?
Yeah. Well, you get him cuffed.
Yeah. Let me get his sleeve out.
Make sure you get the other hand.
That's one.
Get the other hand, because I don't
I'm going. Got it.
And a bulge in his right hand, so I don't know what the hell that is in there. And it's in his right pocket. All right. It's okay.
All right, he's good.
All right. Get him up.
Yep.
All right. Tell him to get where you up. One.
All right. Levántase. Levántase.
He thinks he's entitled to whatever he wants. Right now he looks utterly pathetic, like a wannabe gangster rapping in the back of a police car.
Can you just tell him, like, have him sit in the car?
Unless they want to transport him because we gotta wait for 90 to get here, or well, I guess we gotta wait for him to check him out too as well. Yeah.
Tell him to turn his head. Tell him to turn his head, face that way.
Volteate para allá.
Tell him again.
Voltea la cabeza para allá. Hey, don't turn your head.
No puedo. Estoy vivo, soy ser humano.
Sí, pero no miro para allá.
Cualquier perro que le ladra a mi familia lo pones en vigilia para que comience a rezar. Las calles, una bola de cemento. Dime si te quieres ir preso en una caja de muerto. Muchos dicen que son rabia. Eso es la letanía.
There's a double cage. Okay. So just ask him if he's hurt. If he needs, he should be able to hurt you. Just talk nice and loud just because of the glass.
Ask him if he's hurt.
Ask him if he's hurt, and if he wants medical attention, if he wants an ambulance.
Okay. ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás lastimado?
Me importa un poco tu grado. Los he visto más perrones y a mis pies se me han hincado.
¿Quieres una ambulancia? ¿Quiere que llamemos una ambulancia? He said he wants an ambulance.
What did he say hurts?
He said his body hurts.
He said his body hurts.
Yeah. Okay, ahorita va a llegar.
Gol mil forenayos, dile número 1 del país en Estados Unidos. Dile para los chotas de Estados Unidos, el dealer más.
He was later taken to jail and charged with trespassing and disorderly conduct. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Even crazier characters are coming up in the next video, so make sure you hit subscribe and stay tuned. You won't want to miss it.